Hey everyone, welcome back to Q-Lip English. Let me be honest with you today. How many times have you known exactly what you want to say in your language, but when you try to say it in English, everything gets stuck in your head? You start translating word by word, and by the time you finish, the conversation has already moved on.
That happens to me all the time. It's so frustrating.
Exactly. And that's what we're talking about today, the bad habit of translating in your head. Today I'm going to show you a simple 10-minute brain reset that helps you stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Just 10 minutes?
Just 10 minutes a day. And if you do it consistently, you'll notice a big difference in a few weeks. I'm Olivia, this is Michael, and this is Stop Translating 10-Minute Brain Reset. Let's go. First, let's understand the problem. When you translate in your head, your brain is doing two jobs at the same time, thinking in your language and then converting it to English. This makes you slow, nervous, and unnatural.
So what's the solution?
The solution is to train your brain to think in English directly, and the best way to do that is with this simple 10-minute daily reset. I'll give you 3 easy steps. Step 1, describe what you see. 3 minutes. Look around you right now and describe what you see in English. Don't translate, just say simple sentences. For example, I see a window, the window is open, there's a tree outside, the sky is blue.
That seems easy.
It is easy, but it's powerful. You're teaching your brain to connect English words directly to what you see, without going through your native language. Step 2, ask and answer simple questions. 4 minutes. Ask yourself easy questions in English and answer them out loud. What am I doing right now? I am watching a video. How do I feel today? I feel tired but happy. What do I want to eat later? I want to eat rice.
Can I really do this alone?
Yes, talk to yourself. This is one of the most effective ways to train your brain. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Step 3, narrate your actions. 3 minutes. Tell yourself what you are doing in real time. I am walking to the kitchen. Now I am opening the fridge. I need some water. The water is cold. Do these 3 steps every day for 10 minutes. No textbook, no complicated grammar, just simple, direct English.
Olivia, I've been translating in my head for years. Will 10 minutes really help?
Yes. I had a student from Morocco named Fatima. She studied English for 6 years, but always translated everything. After doing this 10-minute reset every morning for 1 month, she told me her brain finally started thinking in English. Her speaking became much faster and more natural.
Just from 10 minutes a day?
Just from 10 minutes a day. Consistency is more important than intensity. So here's your challenge. Starting today, do this 10-minute brain reset every single day for the next 7 days. Even if it feels strange at first, keep going.
Where should they do it?
The best times are in the morning with your coffee, while walking, or before sleeping. The important thing is to speak out loud. Quick recap. Step 1, describe what you see, 3 minutes. Step 2, ask and answer simple questions, 4 minutes. Step 3, narrate your actions, 3 minutes. Total, 10 minutes. Now tell me in the comments, when will you do your 10-minute brain reset? Morning, night, while walking? And which step do you think will be the hardest for you? I read every comment and I'll reply to as many as I can. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is struggling with translating in their head. In the next video, we're going to talk about the hidden rhythm of English, why you still sound off even when your grammar is correct. Thank you so much for watching. Stop translating, start resetting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!